Lama-file basivale lama-file. Kune-program yaka-children, kune-program yaka-families, kune-program yaka-older persons and disabilities. So ka-social development okokuqala engizokusho ukuthi i-program ye-disability and older person ikhona. Indlela zakhona zahlukahlukene kodwa zibhekela kakhulukazi umphakathi lo waka-disability ubese ubhekelela nabantu abadala. Then engikuthandayo kulombuzo bhuti wami ukuthi zikhona yini inhlelo zabantu abakhubazekile. Yila thina njengomphakathi wase-Ward 6 singena khona. E-community wethu noma emphakathini wethu esihlala kuwo abantu abakhubazekile esikhathini esiningi abavamanga ukunakekeleka kahle. We need such people bhuti wami. It takes a community ukushintsha umphakathi wethu. Sidinga abantu abakwazi ukusebenzisa ingqondo zabo ukulekelela umphakathi wethu. Asinayo thina ka social development la sizothi khona hayi lapha mawungaya lapha ezitolo niyazi khona abagogo lapha ngithi baka social development niyabazi labo gogo ngene babona TV hayibona bobukela iTV bayavela eTV badlala enational labo gogo lapha baka social development. So bhuti wami nabanye abantu ababhekelelele umphakathi wabo when it comes to disability sidinga abantu abangathi thina sifuna ukuvula iorganization ebhekelela abantu people who are living with disabilities. Fanele nize kule program esibiza ukuthi kuka NPO ni register company yenu nisho ukuthi nina nifuna ukwenza ama programs kanjani nidinga ukuthi sinisize njani. So impendulo ithi ka social development ukhona umnyango wama NPO registration 1. Okwesi-2 ikhona iprogram ebhekelela people who are living with disabilities isinhlanhla and older persons. Kodwa lo mnyango lelo ubhekelela ukuthi ekhaya lo muntu niyamnakekela, ekhaya lo muntu uyahola, lo muntu lo idingo zakhe ziyanakekeleka na. But ukuthi le program ukuthi uzathi lo muntu makafuna ukuzikhipha busy uya lapha ya sidinga indawo la kuzothiwa ifacility noma le structure ziningi la eWard 6 la ningathi khona thina sihlanganyela la kulendlu. La kulendlu siyafundisana, siyakhuluma, siyakhuthazana yonke lento le. But leyo nto angeke ivule social development. It needs somebody ongathi mina nabanye abantu esi4 sifuna ukuvula iorganization mele nibe yi5. So impendulo ithi ayikho iorganization ka social development ebhekelele people who are living with disabilities. I-idea enhle ningayithatha ingaphuma la nihambe nayo njalo. Kodwa yes ungaphuma nayo but uyibize ngegama u-identify indawo la ufuna ukusebenza khona uze nabantu abayi4 bathembayo. Ufike usho ukuthi ka social development ufuna ukuzobona iprogram yaka NPO ngabe bengazi ngabe ngithebeze nabo bese bakuchazele ukuthi nidinga ini nani but okubalulekile kumele wazi ukuthi uzoyenzani ngale organization. So sidinga net logo la mphakathi wase-Ward 6 2 umnyango waka disabilities yes ukhona. Ngiyaphenduleka.
But edeni kwami ungangithathi kabi nebhuti wami. Mina I'm a young person living with this disability and akekho umuntu ozolanda umuntu with disability ekhaya because ngokunderstanda kwami it's a disability, it doesn't mean you are disabled. I understand for people that are disabled ukuthi there are certain things engakhona ukuzenza, I understand, but even if there are certain things ongakhona ukuzenza you are able in other places. That is why sibona ku sports kukhona abantu abadlala wonke ama sporting codes, you understand, because you understand ukuthi maybe angikwazi ukuhamba but ngikhona ukwenza lokho even though ngakwazi ukuhamba. Inkinga la esakhile I don't know nje kusethobile ashilo ukuthi awekho ama organization and abantu who are living with disabilities they are not visible and not ukuthi abekho included because recently besilontsha I-structure se-clinic committee. Kule structure kwafuneka umuntu onjani one disability. I was the one who said nami nginayo disability because a lot of people don't know ukuthi I do have a disability, you understand. And then nakule structure ngithe ngizosilontsha angicabanganga vele ukuthi yo ngizobathola lapha abantu be-disability. So if mangabe uzomthatha serious usesithobile and launch the structure where for example wena as a young person ube ne-database nje yakho ukuthi mina ngiyabazi abantu bala esakhile abanani abane-disability yeyibona lento leyo, then you know ukuthi mangabe kunama events anje where they need to be included bayakhona ukuthi bavele babe there yayibona into enjalo. For example, potato awubona ngokwazi kwami esikhathini esiningi potato ufundisa ingonje mrabaraba nani potato zonke lama ubizwa ngani konje la uma culture ama indigenous games. How many people do you have with disability potato? Yayibona butwami. So akusukuthi lawo ma sporting codes awekho or ama activities for abantu with disability. It's just that abantu with disability they don't expose themselves to such because le sports ngasibona ukuthi ngize to so simple thing and uwenzela lapha yana potato. So it is your responsibility I would like to give you ukuthi njengomuntu omusha badose so that nabo bangasaleli ngomuva because of other reasons maybe vele because mina ngihlukile nami ngifuna ukuhlala ngibele exwasheni. There is nothing wrong ngokuba ne disability uyaphila nje kahle. You understand? It's just that we need to build confidence and then uzitshela ukuthi ngikhona and I'm here to make a difference ngempilo yami, that's all. Then abantu ababheka disability yakho babheka wena. The other one
ngizama ukumotivate people who are living with disabilities. Fana nasemsebenzini but you'll find ukuthi njengaka kwenye department njengiyazi ngibize ngegama ba advertise post bebafuna somebody beba encourage ukuthi people who are living ngicela uku-acknowledge uchairperson wami emphathi sawubona uchairperson wethu waku LDAC njengoba besichaza ukuthi sibelonga ku forum leyo angithi umphathi wethu loyalana uzobona ukuthi senza zona ezasithethisa ke ntambama kwenye i-department engengisho ngegama bekuvela i-post ngizama ukukhuthaza njalo le post le beyisho ukuthi kufuneka inani bese ba-encourage people who are living with disabilities to apply. Azange abe khona bhuti wami lokho ukuthi post ize yafreezwa ngoba kuthiwa kufuna somebody who is living with disability. Sa apply sabayi 100 ba shortlist 100 bangamtholo othike ukuthi I'm disabled. Sonke sithi you are able and there's nothing wrong. Being disabled doesn't mean you are not able. And you stand more chances. So siyanicela kodwa mina ngizokuthika igama lakho lapha unamba bani lapha register yami. Ngizokulinda ukuthi uze ka social development uzokwazi ukushintsha umphakathi wethu. Asikisini kancane sengiyacela. Enye into umphakathi wethu who is living with disabilities zinengi insiza kufana nalezi zinto lezo what do you call them, mobile lezi zinto ezisizayo ukuhamba like ama wheelchair. Uthola ukuthi ekhaya uhlele nogogo na 80 seka bedridden libe lithi ugogo nanya ngalembhedeni ugogo nanya ngalembhedeni sukumani niyofuna usizo ugogo athola iwheelchair ugogo akabona ilanga nifune ama crutches nifune zonke lezi zinto ezifunwayo. Angazi ukuthi sizoyenza njani njengo community mara sihlezi sinenkinga kodwa sihlala nazo we are comfortable nazo. Ekhaya uhlala nomama or ubaba sekakhulile akakhona ukunisho ukuyiholela sekazi ukholela umntwana odla nemali yakhe anizi ukuzothola usizo. Ngicela ukuthi nizeni nizothola usizo especially abantu who are living with disabilities asivuleni ama organization ngifuna out of this program nazi ukuthi kunento enayizuza and believe me man serious ingaba khona leyo nto leyo. Siyabonga
funding ikhona sesithobile kulotho kuyimanje ngibe ngihlangana nama form elotho out ama organization awa apply uyabona ukuthi kulula ukuthi uya kwa social development bayakusiza even nango apply ukugcwalisa lawo ma form because sometimes ama proposal ayareject sesithobile because asazi ukuthi siwagcwalise kanjani but inyanga njenge even nesayek center DSD bayakusiza ukugcwalisa lawo ma form apply uthole imali organization yakho ne then ungangithathi kabi ukuthi mara uzangicorrect ne bengizo ukukhuluma ngeCrystal Meth but ngizokakhulu ngathi it's more of a comment question kunjani. Okay then ngicela sindluleke lapho then kube khona okuzile ukuthi bokune rehab la esakhile sesinhlanhla. I think ngizofaka wena la bebafuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni wayengatholanga isupport and so on and so forth because ufeel ukuthi beyenza umehluko kakhulu especially kubantu abakhona even nala who were using ama substances bebathola usizo so kwenzakaleni ngeprogram enjengale. Then after wena I think ngizofaka usesithobile.
sanibonani njengoba nasivela ukuthi yayikhona i-SRC sasibiza ukuthi Sakile Rehabilitation Center ebeyifunctiona ngapha eSimendeni vele sasifunctiona kahle even ama-patients besewamaningi kakhulu sewayi-43 ne-counting yayibona beselwaqhubeka ama-patient alwaqhubeka abamaningi and indawo besinganayo number 1 besihlala emkhukhwini and umkhukhu wethu bowuyi-1 room boyi-1 room to 2 room ne ya bekuyi-1 room to 2 room enye into beyishaya kakhulu besinganayo i-funding yokuthi sikhona ukuthi sihlale sithenga ukudla uyabona besihlale njalo sicela ama-donation la ey'tolo kubo-Thebo sihambela nabo ey'tolo lapha kubo-Bismillah kuma-foreigners then kube yibo abasinikezayo i-support even the community bekuba khona abasupportayo ukuthi basilethele ukudla so into eshaye kakhulu ukuthi indawo besinganayo and uhulumeni wabona ukuthi angikwazi ukuthi ngingasebenzela ekhaya kumele sibe nendawo lapho esisebenzela khona sizokwazi ukusupporteka because mangisebenzela ekhaya njengoba bengibafake sihlale emkhukhwini kuba ngazathi mhlawumbe mangizothola i-funding leyo funding izosiza umndeni wami angeke isize laba abadinga usizo so sashaya izinto ey'fana lezo indawo ne-support ukuthi ngibe stable kahle ukuthi sibe nokudla kuseni imini ntambama bengisebenzisa imali yami thothi ngisebenzisa imali yabantwana nogogo ekhaya uyangilekelela nobaba uyangilekelela so nje yizo izinto eziyashaya kakhulu lezo ukuze kube ukuthi ibe